Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer USDT from Kucoin to Binance. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance account, then tap on wallet, click on fiat and spot, and search for USDT and click on deposit. Then choose the correct network, for example ERC20, TRC20 or BP20. Then make sure this matches the network you will use on Kucoin. Then copy the USDT deposit address. Then after that, log into your Kucoin account. Then go to assets. Then from there, click on main account, which is the deposit and withdraw. Then search for USDT and click withdraw. Then paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier. Then select network, which must be matched with what you chose on the Binance. So after that, enter the amount of USDT to transfer, then review the transaction fee and click confirm. Then after that, complete any required security or verification, which is 2FA, two-factor authentication. Then after that, wait for the transaction to be processed. Then check your Binance wallet under fiat and spot to confirm the USDT has arrived. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from Kucoin to Binance.